Hello all, Namaste. Welcome to Mother Teacher Training Academy. And today I am here with the letter O. And let's start the practice of letter O, the Hindi letter O. And hope you're all ready with your notebooks. And here we go. This is letter O. So this is almost similar to the letter R, but with a small hook on the upper side of the sleeping line. So let's start. Number 3, a sleeping line from between one standing line, another standing line, the sleeping line running across it. So this is the R, right? And now the extra part is you just have an extended slanting line, which makes the letter O. What is this? The letter O. Let's do it again. Number 3, sleeping line from between, attached to it a standing line. You can just draw a sleeping line also, and then the standing line, and then a slanting line above with a loop, which makes O. What is this? The letter O. Let's do it again. Number 3, a sleeping line from between, one standing line, a sleeping line above it, another standing line, and a slanting line from above, which makes O. What is this letter? O, right? So this is the letter O. And now let's see the words which start with the letter O. Yes? O say Oakley. Oakley is the mortar, the one we beat to make simple powders. So this is O say Oakley. Yes. And the next word is O say owns. Owns is the drop, the dew drop. Yes. Owns. O say Oakley. O say O's. Yes. So these are the two words which start with the letter O. So please do practice every day so that you become perfect. And now let's get into the tip of the day. So parents, are you like looking out to teach your kid more concentration, attention when they are learning? Because as parents, we always have a complaint that my child is not sitting continuously and doing a work properly, and he doesn't have patience, he doesn't have concentration. So here are a few tips. In the coming next videos also, I'll be sharing few where you can make your child, it will be like a play for them, but unknowingly there is a development of concentration and patience and many other developments also. So now let's get into this. This is called infinity loop, the very important uh, pattern which is used in many of the international schools also today, where there is you have to, one is left side of the brain and right side of the brain. So to work in a best way, there should be a coordination between both, that is both the hemispheres, we call it as. So this develops the concentration, of course, the motor skills, the eye-hand coordination, patience, many other things. So now let's see how are we really going to practice this. So there is a pattern for this infinity loop. How do we do this? So just take, you can just draw an 8. So this is very simple. It's an 8. If you see a sleeping 8. So start, ask your child, even parents, you can also do this. There is no age limit for this. For us also, we develop a lot of concentration. So start from the middle, go round from the left, according to the arrows given here, and then stop in the middle. You just join both. again, do make this, you can sit along with your child to do the same, so that, it's like a fun activity for your child if you're also participating along with them. So you can just do it for 11 times every day, no matter what, have a continuity. This really has impact on the brain development. It has a proven impact in fact. So this is how start at the center, move up to the left, continue around smoothly, and stop at the center. There should be a little pause at the center. Again, your child will start doing it for the next time. So this is what the infinity loop is all about. Hope you do it, practice it every day, and make the maximum outcome of. Thank you so much. Let me meet you in the next video. Namaste. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.